Hello everyone. In this video, we are talking about the separating the components of mixture, and this topic is the separation of immiscible liquids. Means both those liquids which are not mixed to each other. For example, kerosene oil, and water. These are the both liquid which are did not mix to each other. For example, another example is petrol and water. In this way, we have need to separate. How to separate this immiscible liquids? We separate these immiscible liquids in very simple process by separating funnel. Let's make a diagram here. I am drawing here. This is a separating funnel. How we separate the immiscible liquid from with the help of separating funnel? We separate in easy way, and this separating funnel work on the basis of density. The which liquid are in the lower side which have high density, and low density liquid is on upside, but here is mixture of, we have take of kerosene oil and water. Means the kerosene oil density is low and water density is high. So here is water and here is kerosene oil. Kerosene oil is make a layer here. It is at upside and water is in lower side. First, the two immiscible liquids mixture take in the separating funnel and make a mix together properly, and after some time the both immiscible liquids are make their layers. So in the lower portion the high density liquid is layered, and the upper portion the low density liquid is formed. So both are form the separate layers, and on the upside the low density which is kerosene oil, and lower side at the high density of water. So in this way, after the layer formation, we can easily separate with the tap. And we open the tap for removal of water from this both layer. After removing the water, we close the tap, and in this way we separate the immiscible mixture of two immiscible liquids, which is kerosene oil and water. So in this way we separate the immiscible liquids which are not mixed together. For example, kerosene oil and water. And application of this separating two immiscible liquids, we separate the different types of oil and water mixture. Different type of oil like mustard oil, petrol, diesel, kerosene oil. These oil are suddenly unfortunately mixed in water. So we separate the very simple way, which is with the help of separating funnel. Another most example of separating funnel is we separate the iron. We know that iron is found in the earth in very mix, and the mixture of iron contain different type of impurities, and these impurities after heating, and this heated solution keep inside the separating funnel, and same thing happening, the solution which contain higher density solution, which are layered to form two layer. The lower layer contain high density, and upper layer contain low density. In this way, with the help of separating funnel, formation of two layers. First, higher density, which are lower side, and lower density at upper side. In this way, we separate the iron slag. During the separation of iron and its impurities, we separate the impurities of iron. During refining the iron, we separate the different type of impurities which are present into the iron during the mining, and separate the different type of impurities during the refining of iron with the help of separating funnel.